Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to install VLC Media Player from our App Store in Ubuntu desktop. So first start the application store or App Store in the Ubuntu desktop. Then in the search bar type VLC and press enter. Yeah, the first option is come with the VLC menu. This is the VLC option, so click on the install. It's a required password to authenticate to install the application. Just pass the password and enter. The installation is being started. Just wait for a few seconds to install the application. The installation has been completed. Now we can see open button here. That means the installation is completed. So instead of clicking here, we can go through the App Store and verify the installation. Click on the App Store. Not the App Store, show apps in the menu. Yeah, we can see the VLC Media Player here. It means the installation is completed. So just click on the application to start. It may take few seconds. Yeah, no, it comes now. Now being the application is successfully installed, we can play any media that support the VLC Media Player. Thanks for watching. Do subscribe and like our video.